Next, further modification I would suggest is if you look at if you right click on it again, you can see that display, we've been using the save current display settings, but it'd be nice to have a keyboard that brings up the display settings instantly rather than going through the display and save current display settings. So bring this up. So what I want to do is just go ahead and assign a keyboard to quickly bring that up. Furthermore, we can see the options does not have key binding here, and we can go ahead and change that. So I'm gonna cheat again, and we're gonna look at the Genie. So under Genie, there is a configuration file for rox here. So under, well, let me just show you. It'll be easier just to show you here, and we'll go ahead and close this. So within a .config folder, there is a rox file source .net, and within that there is a rox-filer here, and then we can go ahead and open up menace 2, which is this file here. Okay, so now you can see that everything has all the entries have a semicolon, which means that it's all hidden. So I'm gonna cheat, and my preference is to have this. So when you remove the semicolon, it gets activated. So we want to use the grave key to open a terminal, which is actually already done, but we want to, and then also go ahead and this time if I type in or touch the Control I, it shows the icon view, which is already a default. And now I want to close the window at close the rox with F4, because right now, if I'll just show you, if I just open this up and if I just touch the F4 key, what it does is it actually opens the terminal. I don't want that. I want the X4 to close the rox-filer window. Eventually, what I prefer to do is just simply touch the F4 to close any app, but that will be coming up later. So we'll go ahead and then also display list view is Control L, so that's the list view. And to options, we want to Control O. So for example, here we'll go ahead and, so options, we want to Control O right here. So similarly, I want to open another rox-filer, Control R will do that. And then here, current display settings, we want to Control D. So unfortunately, the YouTube video description will not allow me to go ahead and put these codes in it under description. So what you have to do is just take a look at these and stop it, and then just copy some of the commands that you may be interested in. So I want to grab everything here, which is my preference of settings. So we'll go ahead and copy that, and then bring it into present rox-filer. So we'll go ahead and Control A again, grab everything, and then delete, so you'll wipe it out. And then we're going to Control V to go ahead and paste it. So we're going to go ahead and save all. So now let's see what happens. So we'll go back to here and close it. So right now it has under options, it doesn't have the keyboard binding. So but we're gonna fix that. So we're gonna go ahead and close it, Alt F4, and then we're gonna run the rox-filer again. oops, I made a mistake. Control R will bring the so we're gonna run the rocks again. Now let's take a look. Control so options still not does not show. So what you have to do is reboot. So now I have rebooted, and we'll take a look. So we'll go ahead and just type Control O, see if the options window comes up. So that works. And then F4 doesn't close, so it go ahead and closes. So ALT4 and Control D should bring up the settings. So it did work. Right click and we can see the options now. Control O, and then this display there is Control D, and then likewise it should also Control R should go ahead and activate another rocks. So I think that's it for today. Hope this is helpful. Thanks.